friends, it's Carol. Today we're going to make a caterpillar using balls and paint. What you're going to need is at least 3 balls, paper plate to put them on, a marker, paper, and some paint. Now I already put the paint out. Let's see if we can remember what color they are. What color is this? Green, good job. And this one, yellow. And this one, orange. And this one, blue. Good job. You know all your colors. Now, let's see. You need a piece of paper towel too, because you might have to wipe your hands. I'm going to take the larger of the 2 balls. This one's a little smaller than this one. And I'm going to dip this. I think I'll dip this in the yellow one. Now I want to make the face of the caterpillar. So I dipped it into the paint, and here I'm going to dip it. And I'm just going to run it around a little bit, and there's the face. I'll put the ball back over here, and I think I'm going to dip this in orange. So there's orange. Now we're going to have to make a few balls like that, little dots with the balls. I'm going to use orange, and now I'm going to do green. So I did 2 orange, I'm going to do 2 green, because I think I'm going to make a pattern. Actually, I can put that back over there. And I'm going to use orange again. So 2 more orange. 1, 2, so let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know that we need to make 8 of these? 8 dots like that? Because caterpillars have 16 legs. 16 legs, that's a lot of legs. But first, you know what? I think I'm going to put my pinky into the blue paint, and I'm going to give my caterpillar an eye. There we go. So I'm just going to wipe my finger with the paper towel. And let's see. I'm going to do it this way so you can help me count. So we have 1, we made a pattern. 2 orange, 2 green, 2 orange, 2 green. And now we're going to count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 legs on a caterpillar. My goodness. And I guess what? You know what? Caterpillars have antennas. So we're going to give our friendly caterpillar an antenna. So here you have it, friends. You can make a caterpillar with paint and balls. I hope you have fun making this project. Have a good day. Bye-bye.